Hello everyone, this is Chris with redneckrice.com, also eBay user CUser713. I just finished tinting the fog light on my wife's Veloster. There's the finished product, and here is the clear side, which I'll do the installation on. I've already cleaned up the area. Basically, what you're bidding on, and what I have on my site, is this material right here. I cut it in a 12 by 9 sheet, so it's easily mailed to you. We're going to go ahead and pry that off, and sometimes you're going to want to use some heat, but it is pretty hot. You can use one of these sheets to do most fog lights, both sides, but I prefer to use one sheet per side. I go ahead and stick it right in the middle there, and you're going to see me doing a lot of adjustments on this. You can use a hair dryer. It's really easy to mold. So basically I'm trying to go out from the center, stretch it, and get all the air bubbles out. I like working with the bigger pieces of material because it gives me an easy area to grip. But like I said, you can use this and chop it in half and use it for most fog lights. This is actually only the second fog light that I've done. So I mean, you saw the one that I already did. So I'm not an expert at this, but I know this material works well, and that's what you're bidding on. So as you can see, it's really humid today in Iowa. I'm just gonna mold this, and this lens is a little bit harder because it's round and then it has this notch right here which changes the curve. But that's okay because our material is pretty stretchy. Anytime you get a bubble, just peel back, press down firmly, readjust all the way around. So in this one, of course, we want to do the primary curve first and then kind of worry about the outer curve. Same technique is being used on both curves though. Just stretch and push. I'm also working around the camera right now, which makes it even more difficult. Could have also taken the bezel off. Probably would have been easier. I just wanted to show an install that most typical people would do. You might be watching this video for the WRX. And that's actually easier to do. Bezel comes out, just pry your hands, put your hands around the bezel, your fingers, and pull out, and that bezel comes out really easily. On the Veloster, there's a hole right there, but that's to adjust the fog lights. so you don't have to take the fender liners off to adjust them. Found that out the hard way. I was hoping it was a screw that would allow me to pry the bezel off. If you do decide to use a little heat, use it sparingly. This does become easily pliable with just a little bit of heat. Doesn't require much. I'm using my squeegee to actually cut the material. Pulling it taut. And letting the squeegee do its thing. So not only am I pushing the material down where it should be, I'm also cutting it. So, alright, there you go. You have the finished product. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and view my eBay store and redneckrice.com for more products.